Keep away from people who try to belittle your ambitions. Small-minded people always do that. But the really great ones make you feel that you too can be great. Wise word from Mark Twain, wouldn't you say? Truth be told, we all have what I call these experts in our lives. You know, those people who think they know what it is we can or cannot do and then see it as their responsibility, if not their obligation, to tell us what it is that they think we can or cannot do. Now, these experts, they come in many forms, right? Family, close friends, and so on. And look, I don't think they're all intentionally trying to crush our dreams. Sometimes they're just projecting their own fears and insecurity on us because they're afraid. They don't think they have what it takes to realize their dreams, and they're trying to protect us from what they see as a possible pitfalls and hurts that may be awaiting us, right? But for sure, there are those, though, who, for whatever reason, want to crush your dreams. And as Mark Twain says, stay away from them, man. Stay away from them. Get yourself around people who will, in fact, challenge you instead of trying to crush your dreams. So get around people who will encourage you to launch, even though it may be scary. Get yourself around people who will lift you up and support you when you fail, when you face setbacks and disappointments. Life is so much better when you're around people who are positive and who are supportive of your dreams. This has been a Keep On Pushing moment. Make sure you leave a comment on this video, like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel. Until we connect next time, keep on pushing.